So a quick heads up here for net gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas first. So what do we have right here on Ovanda? As you can see, the price opened in gap yesterday, but here on Ovanda it don't show a gap opening. Instead it shows this candle right here. I did not enter because I want to see a clear bullish engulfer. As you can see right here, I can see gap opening. That is why I didn't take this as a valid entry, even though it looks like an engulfer, but I want to see a clear engulfer without any sort of gap opening. Now at this point, price is still rejecting this area. Price did push up, came back down in the rejection zone, so I'm still positive for nat gas. We can still expect a push up from here as long as it's above this previous wick. It's not breaking and closing below this yellow box right here. We are still positive for nat gas. If I go back on 1 hour time frame, we do have a double bottom pattern right here, violet pattern, and looking at that we can expect some push up. I don't see much volatility here on nat gas. Looking at the ATR, it's only coming up as 6, so not expecting a very big push up from here, only expecting a little push up before the price can likely to fall. I will be only looking for reversal once the price is completely broken above. The first point is 20 EMA here on 4 hour time frame. Once it's broken above 20 EMA, then we have a very positive sign that price is likely to hit 50 EMA, and if broken above, then we have a chance that price will continue and start a new uptrend. So at this point we are still in the rejection area, still expecting a good push up here. Looking at on 1 hour time frame, we do have a valid double bottom here on currency.com. As you can see that we have an imbalance of price action. I can't see any clear signal here, but on 1 hour time frame we can see some sort of pattern. But again, on 1 hour time frame the targets are really small. Looking at the ATR is only 6, means the price can only push up a bit. That is only good for a little scalp. So similar, if you want to take a reversal trade, I want to see and break and close above 20 EMA first, then hit a 50 EMA. If broken above, then we have a good chance that the price will push up. As you can see, the price is in a very strong downtrend, trading below 20 EMA, not breaking above 20 EMA. Every time the price hit 20 EMA, it pushes down. We have a strong resistance of 20 EMA that needs to be broken for the price to push up and continue. So keep an eye here. I'm expecting some push up from here at this point. Selling only if we have a broken break and close below this candle right here, this rejection area right here, which is 3.002. Let's check gold. Okay, right here on gold, as you can see, the price did push up, came back down, bit of a consolidation, and we have this 382 candle. Looking at that, I'm still expecting a price to push up from here. Looking at this 382 candle right here, we have a valid 382 candle, and ADR of this candle is 10, so I'm expecting at least $5 to $10 push up. That is 1934. The first target can be 1929, and then if we have a break above this top, the price is likely to push up, hit the next level of resistance, which is 1958, goes up to 1894. This is the zone from where we will enter our sell counter trades. Let's check silver. Awesome. So as mentioned in my last video, I clearly said that I won't be entering sell trade, but if we have a push down, then we can expect a push up. And with this nice big 382 candle, price is now pushing up. And looking at the ATR 29, I'm still expecting a price to push up around 29 pips, something like here, 23.57. If you would have entered here, then that 20 EMA would be your target. If you would have entered few pips above spin bar, if broken above 20 EMA, then price will likely to push up. So still positive for silver. Price is likely to push up here on silver. Let's check crude oil. Okay, right here on crude oil did hit this level, this double top. Once this candle closed as an engulfer, then we have a very good chance that price is likely to push down. ADR of this candle is 96, so we can only expect $1 push down. Not a big target, but a target that will be enough to hit our take profit before it can push up, if not reversing from here. So wait for this candle to close. Once we have a close of this candle as an engulfing candle, we have a good chance that price will push down. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusion, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. We hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.